Antiguan Carrot Soup. A side dish from Antigua and Barbuda. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Peel the carrots if they are old, otherwise just wash the carrots clean, then slice them into a pan and add water to cover. Step 2. Add a pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano, and whatever other herbs you prefer. Step 3. Bring to boil, let simmer until the carrots are well cooked, then puree them. Step 4. Add a tablespoon of peanut butter, blend that in too, it makes the soup go very creamy. Step 5. Blend in a healthy dash of hot sauce. Step 6. You can serve this with a dollop of sour cream if you like, or straight. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.